Welcome back. Now let's try to have this expression. As you can see, if we try to remove the grouping in here, we have actually two levels of grouping lang, no? This group is inside this bigger group, and this group is ka-level lang sila, ka-level lang sila aning grouping kanina po. Okay, so what shall we do? Let's first what? Let's first tataro kay markahan, okay, basin maulaw ni siya. Now let's have this. Let's remove this grouping kaning W no kaning pinaka-inner. So what will happen will be di na to it copy sa ang ubos no ato sang ikanilang sa nga part sa negative, meaning let that be in there untouched. 7 minus z minus what? How do we distribute that? It's negative 1 times what? W plus z. Simply everything will change sign. So meaning W may mo negative W, ang z may mo negative z. Okay? Okay. Then, simply na, ako lang yung kapyaon kay bawal manggod po na nga di kini mo kapyaon. Pero but take note that be careful in this because, baka magkamali ka og copy lang ng copy, no? Magkamali ka og copy. Muna pinakakuan. Worst. Correct na tayo mong answer, nasayop lang ka og copy. Anyway, that's 7 times 2W minus 3Z. This one, if simplified, it's W minus Z minus W. So W minus W, then you have minus Z minus Z. What is W minus W? That's 0, right? Then we simply have here. Well, this must supposed to be W minus W is 0. And kanisha, negative Z minus Z is negative 2Z. Okay? Do you get it? I hope so. So, copy lang sa ng copy, no? Medyo daghan ta ginabuhat nga marag waste of time here, but anyway, wala mong kita nagdali, no? Just take your time. Now, let's now distribute. Kay kaparihan na sila level, let's now simplify also this one. 7 times 2W, that's 14W. 7 times negative 3Z is what? 7 times negative 3Z, so isa-isa lang, no? Is what? That's negative 21Z. Okay? Ang mga numbers lang multiply. Okay? Minus, this one is what? Negative 1 times negative 2Z. Ang answer will be negative 1 times negative 2. That's 1Z or Z lang, no? So, plus dahil na siya. Plus Z. 1Z or Z is pareha lang na sila. 14W now minus 21Z plus Z. So, 21, negative 21 plus 1Z, or that will be 14W minus 20Z. This is now your answer. Okay? Now, again, how can we be sure that atong answer relatively correct na? So now let's try to do some, again, we do checking. Mag-check ta, we don't really look back, but we check in different method if we still get the same answer. Okay? Now, so again, ikaw na bahala na mag-let. You could either let W to be what? To be 1 and Z to be pareho ra 1. Pwede lang gyapon, no? 1 and 1. Let us have that. Anyway, 1 gagmay ram ng 1. So, if this will be checked, no, kana siya. Let's try. Let's use different color. So, bale, kung kana, it will be 7 times what? W kay 1, ang Z kay 1, so it will be 2 minus 3. Okay? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, let's try. Nantaw na to kung the answer. So, kanina, 1 plus 1, that's 2. So, meaning, we'll have here 1 minus 1, 0. So, we have here what? Negative 2. Or kanin sa tadaan, no? Malibog na nung kada. 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. 7 times negative 1, that's negative 7. Minus, kaning nga quantity kay 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2. So, that will be negative 2. So, what is that? Negative 7 minus 2, that's positive 2. Negative 7 plus 2, that's negative 5. Let us check kung kani ba negative 5 ba pud ang answer ko. Ang W kay 1, ang Z kay 1. Let us check. 14 times 1. Oh. Oh. 14 times 1 minus 20 times 1. The answer will be, well, this will be 14 minus 20. Pila man na? Sadang negative 6 lagi. Uh-oh. Which means that, oh, there must be something wrong. So, daani karon nga time, daani na ka mas ma-enjoy nga naman. Wala pa sa nag-equal. So, negative 5 na, then negative 6. Aha man ka, simple ka nagkamali. So, first mong approach da is, masang lantawon, basig sa checking ka na sa'yo po kung ano, buhat. So, let's try to look back again with the checking. 7 times 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 quantity. So, 1 plus 1, that's negative 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Maguning 1 minus 1. So, minus 2. So, mo na ni siya karon. Napay negative diyan na. Oh, see? Aha naman ka tanang magkamali. So, bali, dili gid siya tama, diri ba? Diri kay 14. No? 14. Uh-oh. Let's try to take a look. 14 dani, 14W minus 20Z. 14W minus 20Z. Anong dapat unta ni kay 15W dapat. So let's try to take a look back kung ahata nagkamali, no? So primero kung gibuhat, giwala ning kaning kan ba so nahimo negative W minus Z. Kunya pag grouping ni man na karon no sa kuan parehaon duol-duol nimong pareha og mga like terms. W minus W kay 0. Negative Z minus Z, that's negative 2Z. So, pag remove nimo sa grouping, mahimo siyang positive Z kay negative 1 times negative 2 man. Oh, kung anong nahimo na maling Z, dapat dahil ni siya plus 2Z. Okay? So, therefore, di ani karon kay ano siya dapat, di ba? Negative 21Z plus 2Z is dapat negative 19. Ay, tamang-tama. Supposed to be dapat negative 19 na siya. So, bali, kung negative 19 na siya, this will be 14 minus 19 times 1. And we're happy because that will give us negative 5. And therefore now, correct siya itong answer. So, I hope now by this very simple approach of putting values to your variables and checking if they still fit is indeed very helpful. Kaya makakuan man ka nga, there must be something wrong. Ang pinaka-problema bitaw sa math, what if you're not sure that you're wrong? Kana ang pinakakuan. At least, mas happy ka nga wrong, sure ka nga wrong ka, kay ma-verify pa man you can check your mistakes. Ang pangit dana is kung dili ka kabalo nga, wala kay idea nga wrong na ka. So, that's nice, I guess. A very nice example indeed. Thank you.